Alrighty, looky what we got here. Bunch of rib shit. Got a new spool for the rope. New air filter. Yep. Went and got a new spring too for shits and giggles. So I had one. Yep. Quince kit. And I ordered the wrong muffler for it. I just saw this style muffler, went, oh, I need one of those. Nope, too big. Way too big. And also, bought a new one. So, yeah. Let the fun begin. The old Toro here, I'm going to throw a new plug in it. And throw an air filter. And this guy, as you can see, yeah, we got some issues. I don't know if it's in the recoil or it's in that ratcheting ball joint, because when I use, this is the mower from the cabin, when I use this all the time at the cabin, it would, every once in a while it'd screech during startup. Well, it's that dewy inside there, so I bought a new one just for shits and giggles, because I can't just walk into a parts store anymore and buy parts for this. Everything's got to be ordered. And the great thing about Amazon Prime is if you order parts, you don't need them, you can just return them for free. So just tell them you don't want them, you don't need them, whatever, and print a shipping label, drop it off at UPS, and away you go. Life is good. Anyways, I guess we'll start with the easy one first. Put a new air filter in that, and new plug. Chop chop, time's a wasting. Alright. Let's see what this dude looked like. Yeah. Not too shabby. Not the worst I've seen, not the greatest I've seen, but whatever. Who knows how long that thing's been in there. It's supposed to be gapped at like 20 thousandths or so. Yeah, it looks like 20 thousandths to me. How about you? It's a lawnmower, I'm not going to get too much into it. It's also mine too, so. No fucks real given. Oh, just violated YouTube's policy. I just swore. You know, I said it a long time ago when Google bought YouTube. I made a comment that Google's ended up killing it. And then it was a couple years after that, a year or two after that, that Google came out and said that they want to turn YouTube like into a TV station type of deal. Oh, yummy, look at that one. That's nice. Question is that the same one? Yep. But anyways, they made the comment about wanting to go more commercialized with YouTube. And the biggest thing I think it is just pushing, you know, YouTube really used to be broadcast yourself, you know. That's what the saying was. Well, it still is to a point, but now it's you broadcast what we want you to broadcast. I was talking to a buddy of mine that used to be pretty big into YouTube, and he eventually got to the point where he said, fuck this shit, and he walked away from it. Didn't want to dick around with it anymore. And he was talking about putting up some videos. He hasn't done videos in many years, and he's talking about putting up some videos, and told him, I go, everything's changed, not for the better. And I explained all this shit to him. I don't know. Maybe you'll see some videos from him. We'll see what he says. See what happens. Time will tell. For the wind noise, but it's nicer out here than it is in my garage. So. I don't know what to do with you guys. Peter's found me. Yeah, I'm waiting for... I already got 2 videos that are not monetized. And I'm waiting for YouTube just to pull the plug on my channel altogether, because every other word in my mouth is the F-bomb. So that's one thing they want to crack down on, is people swearing. It's not too shabby. A little dirty. I expected it to be worse. And these mosquitoes found me already. Cool. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this dude in there. Fucking bugs. See? Violation. Give that guy a little cranky. Slide that dude back on there like that. Yeah, I expected that plug to be way worse than that. Surprised it isn't. I really am. Alright, now it's time to open this can of worms. This nightmare. I thought I'll just buy one of those replacement recoils for this, but they don't really offer them for this motor. Oh, come on. There we go. Come on. Oh, what the hell? What is your dealio? Everything's disconnected. Come in. I don't know what happened here. I think the spring might actually let go in there, because it's still jammed. It won't turn in at all. My mother prefers, this is a mower from the cabin, my mom prefers to use the push mower versus the tractor. Well, I'll insert some pictures here of what she did to the tractor. Yeah, ain't that nice? I don't know what came loose on that son of a bitch, but yeah. I gotta fix that now too. This thing's got a grenade in my face. I think the spring came out from behind it. Son of a bitch. Alright, hang on. Yeah. Alright. Brand new pulley, brand new spring. Yeah, I can't put that ordeal on YouTube because, yeah, that would definitely get me kicked. Beautiful. Alright. And put the cover back on. I looked at the points, they look clean. That ratcheting, the ratchet part, I just ended up cleaning that and lubing her up just with some transmission fluid. There it goes. Yeah, don't tighten those up right away. Get them all ran in and then Give him a little cranky poo. Like I said, the air filter should be here Tuesday. Matter of fact, I don't even know what this one looks like. I haven't taken it out. As far as I know, it disintegrated from age. Because like I said, it's been like 15 years or so since I monkeyed with this thing. My question is, will she pull over? Will she pull over now? Sweet. This thing got fuel in it. Yes, it does. Alright, let's try it out. See if this pile will start. Try it again. For the most part, I guess I'd call that a success. A little bit extra up there, but oh well. Deal with it. Works. Perfect. Works for me. I wonder if that thing runs any different with the new shit in it. Let's find out. Everybody likes cold starts. Especially this guy out east I know. He loves cold starts. That's odd. It's weird, I've never had to do that when you come off of a choke. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh, George. Huh. Never done that before. As soon as you take it off choke, she wants to puke. I'm guessing she's going to need a little work now too. It ran great until I put a new filter in it. It worked perfect. I changed that out. Doesn't surprise me. Oh well. Yeah, the whole smoking thing during the startup, it's always done that. I'm gonna throw some rings in it this winter, but yeah, I've never had it do what it just did to me. Interesting. Oh well. I got my shits done. That I'll just deal with it. Pull the carb off and clean it and all that fun happy jazz. Alright, I've made this shit way too long as it is. So, later.
Want bone?